Original MSRP of more than $35,000. Kia Certified 2. Limited Package W Navigation Auto Dimming Mirror W Home Link and Navigation System W Real-Time Traffic Premium Package W Panoramic Sunroof Heated Front Seats, Panoramic Sunroof, and Rear View Backup Camera, 3.5 L56 DOHC, 4-wheel drive, third row seats, split bench, anti-lock brake system brakes, alloy wheels, delay-off headlights, dual front impact airbags, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, front dual-zone AC, front reading lights, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, low tire pressure warning, overhead console, power steering, radio, AM/FM CD MP3 Infinity surround sound system, rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, spoiler, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer.